So, hey everyone, if you accidentally delete a photo or video on your iPhone, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this guide, I'll show you 3 different ways to restore them. First, open the Photos app, and if you deleted the photos within the last 30 days, you can still recover it. Just follow these steps. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted under the Utilities section. Now, as you can see, recently deleted. Tap on Recently Deleted. Now, as you can see, by selecting this images, you can restore these photos. Okay, second method is check the iCloud. If your photos are backed up to iCloud, you might still be able to recover them. Open a Safari and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. If iCloud Photos is enabled, you will find all your photos there. Simply download them and back to your device. The third method is to restore iCloud backup. First, if your photos is not in iCloud Photos, it might be in an iCloud backup. Here's what to do. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and tap on iCloud. Then again scroll down, as you can see iCloud backup. Scroll down and here you can see iPhone. My backup is 2.2 GB from this device. So to restore them, this will bring back everything from the backup, including your deleted photos. Set up your iPhone again and restore it from the backup. To do this, go to Settings, Generals, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and tap on Continue. Set up your iPhone again and restore it from the backup. This will bring back everything from that backup, including your deleted photos or videos. So that's it. Hope this helped you recover your lost photos. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.